entire program for war and peace pseudo random generator. It has war and peace pseudo random generator class, which has a constructor method, generate seed method, and random method, and getChar function, which in turn opens the file and reads the values according to the seed given in the input. uh, group care function, greater than function, get score function, bin function, main function to start the execution of the program. The program runs. When the program is run, it asks for the seed value to be entered from the user. So it gives two values. One is using the seed, it gives a pseudo random generator number, and one is without using the seed, what is the pseudo random number being generated. Moving on to the first question, explain how your pseudo random generator are produced. To generate a pseudo random number, the program defines a function called getChar, which takes name of the text file and the seed as inputs, and the function then reads the character from the file starting from the position specified by the seed value. The function reads for example, if the seed value is 1000, it reads 1000 characters at a time, and it updates the seed value by adding 1000 seed value by adding 1000 characters after each iteration. The function groupChar is used to group the characters read into groups of 2. Next, the function greater than is called, which compares each pair of characters in grouped list. If the first character in the pair is greater than the second character, 1 is added to the score list. If the first character is less than the second character, 0 is added to the score list. Then getScore function is used to calculate the final pseudo random number based on the score calculated in the greater than function. The bin function takes seed value as input and returns a generated pseudo random number. Finally, the main function of the program is defined. This function asks the user to enter a seed value, and it creates a new instance of the PRNG class, which is specified seed value. It also creates a new instance of the PRNG class without a specific seed value. The main function then calls the random method of these PRNG instances to generate a pseudo random numbers, which are then printed to the console as PRNG with seed and PRNG without seed. For the next question, generate 10,000 pseudo random numbers. What is the min, max, and mean? Does that make sense? Okay, we have one more function called for calculating min, max, and mean. Just while running the program, it's just ask for, from the starting it will just ask for the, let the seed number be 1000, and random points be as mentioned in the question, it will be 10,000, and the mean of the mean value, max value, and min value are being displayed here. Yes, that makes sense. When generating 10,000 pseudo random numbers using a seeded PRNG, we can expect to see a wide range of values, including min, max, and mean as well. These values provide a snapshot of variability in PRNG's output, allowing to understand how it behaves and making it easier to verify the correctness of the implementation of the code.